Hello there, my name is Damian and I'm doing an unboxing for you today. It's a chemi product. Yes, care product 4-in-1. Take the hair out your nose. It's a shaver. It's also a hair cutter, trimmer, and for shaving up the eyebrow. See that, guys? 4-in-1. Gonna do this unboxing today. I got to let you know this is a chemi product and chemi is not paying me for this. It's just doing it for you guys because I love this product so much. Okay. It's a 4-in-1, right? Nose, beard, ear trimmer, eyebrows, right? Bought it on eBay. It's a nice product. Going to do the unboxing for you right now. Subscribe and click the notification bell for more unboxing. I will unbox a brand new champion slippers. Yeah, original. Okay, look at it now. You can see it, guys. It's a 4-in-1. 4-in-1 chemi product. You can see, guys, got it out the box. It's awesome, I'm telling you guys. I love it. Brand new. Search everywhere in Jamaica for this product, but I couldn't find it. So I had to go online and get this product. It's a wonderful product. See? It's already fully charged. Already fully charged. This is the part for the nose. As you can see, it's already fully charged. Put that down there. And this is the shaving part to shave you. You just pull the top off and put this on it. I'm going to show you that how to take it off in a while. And this part is for the shaving your brow, eyebrow. Okay, YouTube. Yeah. And this part is to shave some, shave your ear, like, yeah, some side brows and some, some little baby hair up on the side of your ears. And then, yeah. Nice, man. Nice product. 4-in-1. Understand? I love this product so much, YouTube. And I know you're gonna love it too, guys. See? 4-in-1 chemi product. Understand? 4-in-1 care product. You understand? Professional. Yes, guys. And here we have the charging system. Let's plug it right here. Here. USB. See that, guys? And here we have the brush. Let's put it right there. See that, guys? Yeah, it's a nice product, right? It's a nice product. 4-in-1 chemi product. The nose, the ear in the nose, shave a beard, ear in the nose. This one, the ear out your nose. This one, shave your neat up. Yeah. This one for your eyebrow, and this one can shave the ear. It's a nice product from chemi. Yeah, man, nice product. I bought it on eBay. I'm gonna put on show you how to take the top off for you guys. Subscribe and hit the notification bell so when we do some more unboxing, you guys can get it, because we have this champion slippers to unbox. Yes, I want to see you guys to see that too. It's beautiful. Just do like this. Off. And you click this on like this. See guys. Ready. Easy. Next one. Kick off. Kick back. Another one. Quick and fast. See? Sorry.